I'm Sarah. I work at PGE, and I'm also a customer. Join me on my journey into making my 1960s all-electric home more efficient and more attractive. It's an energy makeover. If your family's like my family, you spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Which brings me to the topic of today's video, appliances. One of the things my home energy audit pointed out was that my appliances accounted for 21% of my home's energy use, and my old side-by-side fridge was the biggest culprit, so it was the first one on the chopping block. One by one, we replaced other appliances like our dishwasher, stove, the washer and dryer, and our hot water heater. These new appliances not only use less energy, but some have built-in timers, making it easy to participate in programs like Peak Time Rebates or time of day pricing. I grew up with a gas stove and have always liked cooking with gas, but that wasn't an option in my all-electric home. I was blown away with how amazing my new induction stove works. Not only does it allow you to make micro adjustments to the cooking temperature just like gas, but it's also efficient, safe, and makes the air quality better in our home.
When's dinner gonna be ready? When are you gonna start helping?
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other energy makeover videos for more ideas.